this video, I'm going to be sharing my first impressions of the Garnier Ultimate Blends range. It's my first time trying Garnier hair care and I actually can't believe I haven't tried it. It has been out for a long time. I've been natural for a while. I regard myself as a bit of a hair review expert because I have been doing it for a while. Before I get into the first impressions of the hair products, I'd love to say that I'm so proud of brands like Garnier who are leading and proudly carrying the cruelty-free bunny on their products. All the products are cruelty-free, there's no animal derivatives. The cool thing about this range is that it is affordable, it is cruelty-free, it is in a price range that is accessible to many, and the texture of the product is just lovely. Getting into the shampoo, which I loved, and I think by far this is the best shampoo that I have used in a while, just because the shampoo had a really great lather. And remember that foam doesn't mean that your hair is being clarified. Foam is just an agent to add to the experience, to make your hair feel like it's being clarified. Also remember that the foaming agent is called sodium lauryl sulfate, which is the same ingredient found in toothpaste to make it lather, and it causes your hair to dry out and it causes frizz. Your hair can get brittle. I don't know what the composition is, the amount of sodium lauryl sulfate in this product, but I did feel that this shampoo allowed my hair to feel clarified without leaving it feeling dry and stringy, and it was just a great experience because it smelled great and it wasn't an overwhelming scent. It smelled like bananas. I felt like I was in the jungle. I was just getting fruity vibes and I enjoyed the shampooing experience. I washed my hair twice. The first was to remove buildup and the second was to clarify, just ensuring that I'm removing any type of buildup, any type of excess dirt from my hair. And then I went into the conditioner, which I feel has quite a mask-like texture. I loved it because it gave me that slip that I needed to finger detangle my hair. I did feel that I would have to keep this on my hair for 5 to 10 minutes just to ensure that my hair is seeping up all the moisture and that it is actually hydrating my hair. I could have left it on my hair for longer, but I was also a bit pressed for time, so perhaps on my next try I will leave it on my hair for longer, and also remembering that this is not a mask, which I usually use instead of conditioner, so it did a great job. It detangled my hair and I have that faux hair, I have a lot of hair. Then I also want to talk about the leave-in, which is the last product that I used in this range. I felt that this was a much richer leave-in than I'm used to. It could have been much heavier than I would have liked, just because for me leave-in is usually like a water-based product and it has a light texture, and I'm able to apply the leave-in as a moisturizer to my hair and then apply an oil or a styler that's oil-based just to lock in that moisture. But with this I felt like the leave-in was going to be the final product. I decided to go and sit outside for 20 minutes and let my hair dry for a bit, and then I untied it and this was the result. You'll notice that my hair looked much longer when it was wet. I don't mind the volume, I don't mind the frizz. If you want to reduce frizz, try not to use a shampoo with sulfates. In this video, obviously I couldn't avoid that because the shampoo had sulfates. I didn't think that was a problem because I do like volume. But if you do want to reduce frizz, firstly ensure that you're using a shampoo that doesn't have sulfates, and then secondly ensure that your hair is completely dry, because my hair was not dry at all. It was 70% wet and I air dried it in the wind. which caused a lot of frizz. So you'll notice that the ends are more defined, it's curlier because I did a bit of a twist out. I allowed it to dry for a bit and then I untied it. After I applied the leave-in, I went in with a DIY flaxseed gel, and this is the styler that I always use on my hair. Because I use the leave-in, which is an oil-based product, I felt that the flaxseed gel didn't really do its job. It was more wetting my hair and doing a little bit of definition, but not really getting into my hair follicles because I was already applying the leave-in, which was much richer and was already sealing the moisture in my hair. If you're looking for a product to style your hair, then definitely try this leave-in. It's a 2-in-1 leave-in moisturizer and styler, I feel, because the texture is so rich and you can actually use it for a twist out. Don't use it as a leave-in for a wash and go, because if you use this for a wash and go, it's actually going to weigh your hair down and it's not going to give you that definition that you want, because oil-based products are meant to style your hair and to lock in moisture, and water-based products are meant to moisturize and then define your hair. I'm gonna leave it at that. If you want to watch more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the next one, and stick around. I have another video coming up after this.